This second video took me a little longer than expected, honestly, because not once, but twice did I change my mind on how I liked it. When I painted the edges, and I wanted to keep the original wood, when I put it together, I just didn't, it felt like something was missing, it needed something, I just didn't really like it. So I was like, okay, let me paint the whole thing. And then when I was looking at the table itself, you can see where some sanding spots were missed, so we were resanding it to fix it. But when we did it, like, it looks so good, just like a rustic feel to it. So I did a poll on Facebook and Instagram of what people liked better, the solid color or the rustic, and rustic won. But this is what each looked like. I still have to do this end table, so I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So here I had the solid color, and then we ended up with this, which I think has so much character even though it's not old. You know what I mean? Like, I love it. I think it looks really cool. And we still have, this is taped off, but we still have the exposed wood here. And the table legs and stuff, like, they still have the exposed wood, and it just has the color around the edges. And I sanded that down to make it match this. But this is where it was, and this is where it's at, and I can't wait to see it all together. I'm so excited. If I'm digging the stain, I really liked it, that light color. I mean, it's very nice. I guess I'm gonna keep going with it and see. That's the green I was thinking. I mean, it does look pretty cool. Let's just keep going. What do you think? I guess what's the worst that can happen? I just sand it back out. Let's see. So I'm so nervous about it chipping because I used paint. I'm gonna cover the whole thing with this. Definitely is not the most ideal thing, I wish I had a garage to do this because then I was battling wind and the sun. I'm literally staring at the sun as I'm trying to spray every one of them, but we got it done and we made it work. So let this dry for a little bit, bring it back in so nothing happens to it, and put it back together. Once again, thanks guys for watching, and I appreciate you all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't